For registering candidates for ISC examination, click on ISC menu and select registration. In the bachelor screen, user can view 6 tabs. In the first tab, user can see the details of batches. In the second tab, we can see the list of candidates who have passed their ICSE examination successfully in the current year from that particular school. In the third tab, user can add the ICSE passed candidates from other schools in the current year, clicking here and use the search functionality provided here, which will be explained later in the session. Similarly, in the fourth tab, user can add ICSE past candidates from prior years from all schools by clicking here. In the fifth tab, user can see the detained candidates updated from the Update 11th status screen. In the last tab, user can see eligible candidate from other boards. Now, let us see how to add candidates from their respective tabs to a batch. For that, select this candidate and click on Add to Batch. A new batch gets listed under Batches tab with status as open. Let us add candidates under this tab to the same open batch. For that, select candidates and click on Add to Batch. These students also gets added to the same batch. Let us close this batch by clicking on Finish. Now let us add detained candidates to a batch. Select these candidates and click on Add to Batch. A new batch named Detained gets listed under the Batches tab with status as open. Click on Finish to close this batch. Now we have two batches, one registration batch and the other named Detained batch with status as candidate review. The number 2 in the braces indicates the number of students for reviewing the details of the candidate. Now the batch is ready for candidate review, where each student will be coming for verifying his or her information and updating the registration form with photo and signature. We can also see the state has changed to candidate review. The number 3 in the braces represent the number of candidates to complete the process of review. Well, to start candidate review, click on Batch, which will take us to the candidates list screen. In the candidates list screen, user can see a list of students under that batch. We can view the details such as candidate name, gender, nationality, category, date of birth, status, and unique ID. Now, for reviewing the details of candidates, user need to click on the name of each candidate. Now, we need to call students one by one to verify his information, capture his photo and signature as a form of acceptance. Candidate can view his personal information in the screen and can do corrections if it's required. User need to select subjects for the candidates during the review. For capturing student's photo using webcam, click on Capture Photo. Adjust the webcam to get a clear picture of the candidate and click on Capture. User can click on Capture more than one time if it's required. Once user is satisfied with the picture, click on Upload. In case if user is not able to use the webcam, we can also upload candidate's photo by clicking on Browse and selecting the required file from the system. Now, for uploading student signature using signature capturing device, click on Capture Signature. Sign on the signature tablet when the pop-up window appears, where we have two options, Clear and Upload. Clicking on Clear, signature gets erased and user can ask the candidate to sign again and again. Until the signature is properly captured, and finally signature can be uploaded by clicking on Upload. In case if the user is not able to use the signature tablet, we can also upload the candidate signature by clicking on Browse and selecting the file where the scanned copy of the signature is available. Student can also review his or her respective information and ensure that the information captured by the school staff is accurate. Select the confirmation checkbox and click on Confirm to complete this step. This action will take user to the candidates list screen. Similarly, user can review the remaining candidates in the batch. User can notice the batch state as Candidate Review. The number 3 in the braces have now changed to 0. That tells the user all students in that batch have reviewed their information. Once all students under a batch are reviewed, Submit to Principal button gets activated. User needs to click on Submit to Principal to send this batch for his or her review and approval. Now, we can notice the batch status as Principal Review. The number 3 in the braces represent the number of candidates to be reviewed by the principal. Let us wait till these students under that batch are reviewed by the principal to proceed. In the candidates list screen, we can notice the status of all candidates as Candidate Review Completed. To return back to the batch list screen, click on Back to Batch. Click on Batch Name to start the process of reviewing. This will take user to the candidates list screen, displaying the list of students under that particular batch. Screen displays a brief details of students in a batch with status as principal review pending. For reviewing the details of each candidate, user needs to click on Candidate Name. Principal can review the details of students but won't be able to update any of students' information. For further clarifications from the candidate side, he or she can request for more information by clicking on More Clarification that opens up a dialog box where user can specify the comments or questions. After reviewing, principal can click on Submit to SysKey for sending the candidate's detail for council's review and approval. Again, click on the badge to complete the process of review of the remaining students. Similarly, review the details of remaining students in the batch and submit to SysKey for the same. User can notice the batch state as principal review. The number 3 in the braces have now changed to 0. That tells the user all students in that batch have been reviewed by the principal. Click on Submit to SysKey for sending the batch for council's review and approval. After submitting the batch to the council, the candidates under the batch gets registered with the council for their ISC examination. Click on Print to take the printout of provisional registration card.